I am playing EA Sports FC26 on my base PS5 with my MSI 32-inch 4K OLED monitor. The game has received a new update which introduced the new World Cup mode, so in this video, we'll check out the new mode and see how the gameplay feels after the update. On this OLED monitor, the match looks super sharp and colorful with clear players, bright stadium lights and smooth gameplay on the base PS5. So let's kick off, test the World Cup mode and enjoy the match together. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to support the channel.
This is today's Portugal team. Nuno Mendes starts with João Cancelo as fullbacks, and leading the attack is Cristiano Ronaldo. Pass was red and the ball has changed hands. In the standings to shed some light on how it looks for the visitors here. Can they secure their spot in the knockout stages today?
Yeah, but they are going to need help to progress. All they can do is focus on the job in hand, try and win today, and hope the other result goes their way.
That's won back nicely in a good area. That's what he's there for. It's a good stop. Unsurprising who we've singled out as our player to watch. What should we expect today, Sue?
Yeah, 2 goals last time out, and that's why he's the focus. Difficult to mark because he's always on the move, intelligent runs, and always finding a yard of space. But will it be the same again today?
Munoz. Diaz. And played back to Diogo Costa. Nuno Mendes. Coutinho. Struggling to keep the ball there. Willer Ditter. Neves. Oh, it must be here. And there's the first goal of the match. Deadlock broken.
If you watch this again, I love how he just dances by his marker like he's not even there, and then he just shows his pull to finish it off well.
One 0 then as we get started again. Mojica. On to Luis Diaz. Willer Ditter. Diaz. Joan Mojica. Ditter. Mojica. Decent looking attack this. Now can he equalise? Oh, it was a great chance and it should have been taken.
Well, I'm not sure you'll get many chances better than that to even the score. It's going to be disappointing if you couldn't put that one away.
Inacio. Now with Diaz. Coutinho. Diaz. Lovely position to be in, keeping the ball and keeping the lead. Bruno Fernandes. Neves. The ball well here. 45 minutes to a close. The ball is rolling and the second half is underway. That's a good pass. Now, what can they do from here? A really good interception to take the ball. They could get caught out on the break here. Lovely, incisive ball. Oh, they were getting interested there, but not anymore. Bernardo Silva. Easy for the keeper after that block.
Yeah, it does well to get in the way, and it's an easy save for the keeper in the end.
Teeing up the chance now. There's the benefit of working to win the ball. Coutinho. Fernandez. Lerma. Sanchez. Jefferson Lerma. Great instinct there to cut it out. Diaz. It's pinched, but he's fine there. Coutinho. Diaz. Still behind, but this is looking promising. He tackles well, but it's out for a throw. Substitution coming up. This could be dangerous. That's out of play. It'll be a throw now. Well read to gain possession.
Yeah, spotted what was happening there, didn't he?
Mendes. On to Cristiano Ronaldo. Now Cancelo. Time ticking away, but there's still belief here. This is all over. Against the post. It's out of play. Throw in the come.
Well, if they do hold on to this, the keeper will be thanking the frame of his goal. There's not long left at all now. Just got to keep it tight at the back.
João Cancelo. On the ball, there to keep it. Luis Diaz. On to João Cancelo. So that will do it for today, and it's the visiting fans who will go home the happier. Your overall impression?
Yeah, both teams give absolutely everything. There was a real intensity to the game, but I think the moments of quality just give them the edge, and they deserve the result.